Hello，大家好，歡迎翻嚟咧2015年嘅 reading 片啦。咁咧，首先咧帶大家咧睇咗個 cut off 先，OK。今日 cut off 咧就如呢度咁樣啦，OK。咁咧，但係咧呢個咧相比起翻2014年嘅時候咧，2014年嘅時候當時咧就係85啦，跟住就81、75、68、45咁樣嘅。咁所以你見到咧呢一份卷咧，好明顯咧就應該知道啦，就應該咧難咗少少啦，OK。咁啊難在邊咧？咁我哋咧喺份卷入邊再仔細同大家講啦，OK。咁啊，首先咧 Part A 咧就係講咗一個嘅外國人啦，咁就去呢個嘅韓國去居住啦，咁就對於一啲韓國嘅風土人情嘅一啲嘅睇法咁樣啦，OK。咁咧首先啊第一條咧就問咧 Charmaine Chan 係邊一個啦，OK。咁咧就你會留意到咧，我哋嗰個嘅故事主人翁係 speaks to Charmaine Chan 嘅，OK。咁咧Charmaine Chan 呢度咧就用咗 bold 啦，OK。咁喺下面咧第五行呢度咧都有個 bold 嘅字嘅，咁所以其實咧你可以估到咧 Charmaine Chan 咧就應該係負責去問問題嗰個啦，所以你可以寫 interviewer 啦。咁啦，咁啊，for 啲英文嘅一啲額外知識嘅啫。咁咧，如果咧係被訪者咧，我哋就叫做 interviewee 啦。OK。好，咁啊，跟住之後咧，下一條就問到底咧，阿 David 咧 planning 去寫多幾多本書啊？OK。咁呢個咧係9% 嘅題目啊，因為咧好多人都俾佢 fix 咗啦，咁樣嘅。咁咧，首先就題目咧就係問佢 planning to 啦，即係佢諗住寫幾多本啦。咁咧就喺第二行度咧，雖然咧就寫咗 offer two books 乜乜乜咁樣啦，OK。但係呢個係佢已經出版咗嘅書啦，OK。咁所以咧應該係 several other volumes in the pipeline。OK，in the pipeline 咧，即係咧製作中啦，OK。咁所以咧，我諗大家咧主要錯嘅原因都係因為咧諗住 how many 咧一定係一個實數啦，咁但係其實咧就冇咁樣嘅一個嘅規例嘅，所以呢度咧就係 several 啦，OK。好，咁啊，跟住之後咧就將 Daniel 嘅嗰啲發生嘅嘢咧就次序排翻1、2、3、4啦。咁咧，我哋首先咧應該就當然啦，喺10年前佢已經係一個 Oxford 嘅 graduate，咁第一件事當然咧係要由 Oxford 度畢業先啦，係咪？咁跟住之後咧，佢就應該咧去咗呢個嘅韓國啦，係咪？咁啊就去咗韓國之後咧，就開始就係 teaching English 啦，咁啊第五行嘅時候，OK。咁就跟住之後咧，佢就join 嗰個 Economist 啦，咁就係2010年咧至2013年嘅。咁當然咧，最後尾就係最近啦，OK。咁就寫咗一本關於韓國嘅書《A Geek in 嘅 Korea》啦，咁啊2014年嘅 June 嘅。咁所以咧，如果你補翻嗰啲嘅日子嘅話咧，咁就首先咧喺嚟到韓國成為咗英文老師啦，跟住之後就喺 Economist 度做嘢啦，跟住之後咧就寫咗第一本書關於韓國噶啦，OK。咁啊，跟住之後咧就會去到第四條啦。咁啊，第四條咧就係 Who does they refer to in line 9啦。咁咧就係喺呢一度嘅 Why weren't they 呢度，OK。咁咧喺文章度咧，你會揾到咧係 refer to nobody else 嘅。咁但係 nobody 咧係冇人啊嘛。咁就同 they 呢個咧就係冇關係嘅，OK。咁所以咧我哋應該咧要改翻乜嘢咧？咁我哋就可以改翻other 乜乜啦，OK。咁啦，但係咧我哋睇翻咧文章俾嘅資訊咧，呢一度咧其實係問佢咁啊多數啊，即係嚟到韓國嘅一啲嘅西人啦，Westerners 啊嘛，OK。咁所以你上面應該望到咧，就應該抄翻 Westerner 啦，OK。咁跟住之後咧，第五條啦，咁咧第10行度咧有個 off the radar，咁啊 radar 咧其實係講緊一啲即係可能講緊一啲掃描一個地方啊嗰啲嘅嘢啦。咁如果佢 off 咗個 radar 嘅話，即係代表大家掃描唔到佢啦 OK，咁但係如果呢個咧都唔明嘅話咧，可以睇晒第3段講啲乜先嘅。咁就1980年代嘅時候咧，日本咧就好出名啦。但係跟住之後，而家大家就 focus 翻喺中國啦。咁啊，Korea has fallen in between these two countries，即係話咧，韓國就有啲兩頭唔到岸啦。咁所以咧，應該可以理解為咧就冇咁出名，咁所以咧就係 unknown 啦。咁就冇講 dislike 嘅，因為咧呢一個其實係一個中性嘅詞啦。OK，好啦，咁就而家咧係嗰個 big story 係邊個啦？咁啊睇翻清楚題目問你 currency 啦，咁所以咧就係 people pay attention to China now，咁所以咧而家就係 China 啦。OK，咁跟住之後咧就會係 Why is John referred to as the invisible hug 啦？咁咧就你應該會望到咧喺下一行咧，咁佢就解釋咗啦。John, the warmth between people and mutual sacrifice。咁你咧呢度咧會望到一個破折號咁嘅嘢咧，咁其實咧呢一度咧就係俾咗一啲補充資料啦。咁其實喺文章亦都有一個定義嘅作用嘅，咁所以就抄翻咧，It is the warmth between people and mutual sacrifice 就已經 OK 啦。咁我哋咧就落到去咧第8條啦。What does Daniel think is nonsense？咁就喺第15行啦。咁咧佢呢度咧就寫咗 it's nonsense 嘅。OK，咁啊呢個 it's 咧當然啦，就唔係淨係指一樣嘢啦。OK，咁咧就前面嗰行就寫 a lot of Koreans say 乜乜乜。OK，即係啲韓國人話 John 咧係 uniquely Korean 嘅。OK，咁所以佢覺得咧。佢就係覺得咧，John 如果啲人講 John 呢樣嘢係淨係得韓國先有咧，呢個咧就係 nonsense 啦。因為咧成個世界都應該有嘅，咁所以咧應該抄翻 John is uniquely Korean， 咁就 OK 啦。咁跟住之後咧，第9條咧22% 嘅答對率啦。咁點解韓國人咧喺一啲葬禮上面咧要飲酒啦，同埋唱歌咧？咁咧就喺第4段嘅尾呢度啦。係啦 ，even traditional Korean funerals used to feature 呢啲乜乜啦，OK。咁其實咧呢一個咧係需要自己去諗噶啦。咁但係當然你諗到啦，咁啊應該呢啲都係借酒消愁啦。咁所以就可以寫翻 to forget their sadness 啦，或者係 to overcome their sorrow 啊，呢啲都 OK 嘅。咁跟住之後咧，第5段咧就要講翻韓國人咧同埋西方人嘅difference 同埋 similarity 啦。咁就呢度咧喺句式上面咧，其實有啲嘢需要注意嘅。OK，咁啊第5段 often when Westerners think of East Asians, they the stereotypes of stoicism and self-control 啦。跟住之後啦，咁但係後面咧就用咗個 but 啊嘛。OK，咁即係話咧。通常咧，啲西方人都覺得咧，韓國人係好有自我控制嘅，但係原來咧，韓國人咧係好 expressive and open with their feelings 嘅。咁即係話西方人以為韓國係 A，點知韓國人咧係 B。咁即係其實佢同西方人都一樣咧，咁開放啦。OK，咁呢個 stoicism 嘅意思咧就係講緊禁欲主義啦。OK，咁呢隻字比較少用嘅。咁所以啦，呢一個咧，其實嗰個 Korean 好 expressive 咧，其實就係同西方人嘅一個嘅 similarity 啦，所以就抄翻喺下面嗰個啦。OK，咁咧跟住之後啦，呢個 somehow 咧，其實咧又係再轉折喎。咁即係話咧，後面嗰句咧就係同美國人或者係講緊Westerners 咧唔同嘅地方就係 sadness and happiness both seem to be magnified in Korea 啦。OK，跟住之後咧就會去到講關於K-pop 嘅題目啦。咁咧就 Why doesn't Daniel like K-pop？ 咁咧就喺呢一度開始睇啦。咁啊，佢下面咧就講咗 there's really good music in Korea that's not superficial or played on the radio or on TV。咁所以你 focus 翻呢個 superficial 咧就 OK 啦。咁佢就話咧喺韓國入邊都有啲非常好嘅音樂咧，就唔係膚淺嘅。咁所以即係咧應該調轉抄翻啦。OK， 呢條咧係用一個倒轉抄嘅技巧啦。咁所以你應該寫翻 It's superficial 啦。OK， 咁跟住之後咧就嗰個嘅 them 係邊個啦 ？OK， 咁啊作者就話 friends with them， 咁所以其實佢講緊咧呢一個 band 啊嘛，呢度前面有個 day 啊嘛，咁咧佢就係講佢中意嗰個 band 就係 Third Line Butterfly， 就將呢個 Third Line Butterfly 咧抄翻落去就 OK 啦。咁跟住之後咧就what opinion does both Daniel and Sai share 啦 ？OK， 咁我哋睇翻咧阿 Sai 咧喺32行出現咗嘅 ，OK。好啦，咁就and making fun of Gangnam which is superficial and flashy。咁咧佢問咧both 啊嘛，咁即係呢度咧其實係問嘅一啲共通點啦。OK， 共通點。咁你會留意到佢兩個嘅呢句句子入邊咧都有重複咗 superficial 呢隻字嘅。OK， 咁但係你要留意翻佢到底係講緊乜嘢 superficial 咧？作者咧即係嗰個阿 Daniel 咧就係話 K-pop superficial 啦。咁但係阿 Sai 咧就係話 Gangnam 係 superficial 嘅。咁所以咧記住抄翻咧 Gangnam 係 superficial 啦。OK， 因為咧阿 Sai 冇講過任何有關 K-pop 嘅嘢嘅。OK， 咁就跟住之後咧，我哋就會去到第7段嘅 True False or Not Given 啦。OK， 咁咧阿 Daniel 係咪阿 Sai 嘅朋友咧？其實就冇講到嘅，佢只係講佢同呢個 Third Line Butterfly 咧係一個 friend 啦。但係咧呢個就冇講，所以咧係 Not Given 啦。跟住之後啦 ，Third Line Butterfly is a K-pop group， 咁呢個好明顯唔啱啦，因為作者講佢唔中意 K-pop。咁咧佢又話 Third Line Butterfly 呢個咧唔係膚淺嘅，咁所以咧即係呢個唔歸類喺 K-pop 入邊啦。OK， 跟住之後咧 ，Daniel thinks some good Korean music isn't well known internationally 啦。咁呢個咧都係嘅。咁啊因為咧佢喺29行嗰度就講咗啦，佢話呢啲 good music 咧其實咧係未必會 go outside of Korea 嘅。咁所以咧亦都唔會專登去 go international 啦。所以呢個就係填翻 true 啦。跟住之後啦，就會去到問 soap 係乜嘢啦。咁啊，大家應該都知道啦，係啲肥皂劇啦。OK， 咁所以咧佢嗰個interviewer 咧問佢 How about Korean soaps？ 佢下面已經答咗 I don't like the drama stuff 啦。OK， 咁所以咧 soap 咧你就可以寫翻 Korean drama， 有冇 S 都 OK。呢個 Korean 寫唔寫都得嘅，係啦。咁但係如果唔寫 Korean 個 drama 就叫做 D 字嘅大街啦，係啦。咁就跟住之後啦 ，Why does Daniel think Korea is probably not the best country in which to be a woman 咧 ？OK， 咁咧呢句咧就淨係喺文章入邊嘅36行出現啦。OK， 咁啊後面咧就已經有呢個答案啦。What's the best way to become wealthy or to achieve status? Sadly, is to marry somebody。咁呢度咧就係採取咗一個自問自答嘅方法啦。咁啊英文同大家補充翻啦。如果咧係一啲設問嘅話咧，我哋英文叫做 rhetorical 嘅 question 啦。rhetorical question 即係設問咁解啦。咁所以咧呢度咧就抄翻成句落去啦。咁你就可以寫翻 The best way to become wealthy is to marry。咁 OK， 咁就得㗎啦。跟住之後咧就會去到第17條嘅填窿窿啦。OK， 咁就第一句咧佢就已經講咗，就係佢唔中意睇韓國嘅就係韓劇啦。咁所以第一個你可以寫 soaps 啦，或者 drama 啦。跟住之後啦 ，the stories are often the same with a 乜嘢 man 咧？咁佢入邊咧就講咗啦 ，OK， 咁咧beautiful girl from a poor family 嗱，其實重點咧全部喺晒呢句入邊嘅。Beautiful girl from a poor family marries rich guy， 咁即係一個 man 咧就係 rich man 啦。 跟住之後，但係後面要搞清楚咧，唔好搞錯次序啦。Miss a 乜嘢 lady who comes from a 乜嘢 background，咁背景即係代表佢係可能家境點樣啦，所以呢度咧寫翻個 poor 喺第4條度，咁自然前面咧就係寫翻 beautiful 啦。OK，and in the end 地乜嘢咧？咁就係地 marry 啦。OK，咁呢個應該都 straightforward 嘅。跟住之後啦，就會去到咧第18條啦。咁啊，Daniel 點解覺得 Gangnam Mothers 咧 are scary 咧？OK，咁就喺後面啦。OK，呢度啦。If 啲小朋友咧攞唔到 A 啦，咁咧啲家長咧就會好嬲啦。跟住之後，下次見到啲小朋友嘅時候，佢哋就喊晒口啦。OK，咁咧，所以咧或者你可以寫 they are obsessed with education 啦。咁所以咧，第一個答案你可以寫整到小朋友喊啦，或者你可以講就係佢會因為啲唔好嘅成績而覺得好嬲啊咁樣。所以呢度咧最簡單，你就可以寫 they get mad at bad results。OK。好啦，咁跟住之後第19條咧又係21% 㗎啦，OK？到底 materially 係咩意思咧？OK？material 咧本身解物料嘅意思啦，咁但係呢度當然就唔係嘅，OK？呢度咁你可能都聽過咩terms 叫 material life 或者 material girl 呢啲字啦，即係代表咧好物質主義。咁物質主義咧呢一度係咪咁嘅意思咧？都唔係喎，OK？咁佢就係講啦，啲小朋友咧其實係有啲Big Mercedes，如果知道呢啲係一啲名車啦，跟住之後咧有啲袋咧又好似個人咁大啦，咁即係代表佢哋好有錢啦，OK？咁所以你可以寫 they are rich 啦，或者可以寫 they are wealthy 啦，或者 they have many wealth 啦，OK？跟住之後啦，點解咧呢啲有錢嘅韓國人點解佢哋 obsessed with education 咧？咁喺第43行嘅間咗呢度後面就已經講咗啦，OK 係 status thing 嚟嘅，OK 所以咧佢哋想 preserve their status 啦，OK 咁所以最簡單你就可以寫 to preserve their status 就 OK 啦。咁我呢度咧我都唔會將所有答案咧都講晒，因為咧呢個答案好簡短，咁啊慳啲時間啦。OK 後面都有答案，但係咧又要抽得長啲，咁我覺得就冇咁方便啦。跟住之後咧第21條啦，OK，according to paragraph 10，how has Daniel changed since he arrived in Korea 啦，OK，咁咧就你會留意到喺第46行咧，Korea made me a better friend to my friends，咁即係代表佢嚟咗韓國之後咧，係一個更加好嘅朋友啦，OK，所以就可以寫 he is a better friend。跟住之後啦，咁啊 Daniel 咧覺得乜嘢咧係Korea 嘅最attractive 咧最吸引嘅嘢咧？OK，咁你會留意到 interviewer 問佢啦，Why do you continue to live in Korea? This Jong stuff。咁即係佢都係因為嗰個 Jong 即係人與人之間嗰個嘅關心咧而去留低嘅。咁所以呢度咧就寫翻 Jong 就 OK 啦。OK 呢個成篇文嗰個嘅 theme 咧都係呢個 Jong 嘅。跟住之後啦，第23條啦，What does in from the cold in the title suggest about Britain 咧？OK，咁啊呢篇文章咧嘅 title 咧就係 in from the cold 啦。咁但係 cold 咧除咗解真正天氣凍嘅時候咧，仲有另外一樣嘢嘅。咁就呢一度咧文章就講咗，I thought English people were a bit too cynical and cold。咁所以呢個 cold 咧其實係解冷漠嘅意思啦。OK，咁所以咧，你答題目嘅時候，你就可以寫 British are cold and cynical 啦。OK，咁啊照抄嘅啫。咁然之後19%啦，到底咧阿 geek 咧到底係講緊邊個啦？OK，咁啊呢個 geek 咧，咁你喺字面上查佢嘅意思咧，咁就係解一個怪咖嘅意思啦。OK。咁啦，佢到底邊個係喺韓國嘅一個怪咖咧？咁你應該都可以諗到，就係咧，本身係外國人，跟住之後搬嚟韓國嘅佢自己啦。咁所以就可以寫 Daniel 啦，或者咧你寫 the writer himself 啦。OK， 咁跟住之後咧，就已經講完呢篇文章啦。咁跟住就落去下面text 2啦，不過都仲係 part A 嚟嘅。OK，咁啊呢篇咧咁就係主要去講翻呢一個嘅即係關於有啲即係大家有邊個 writer 寫過有關於韓國嘅書咧，咁啊呢篇文章咧都會有 cover 到咁樣嘅。OK，咁啊終於嚟到第一條咧 irony 嘅題目啦。咁啊記住呢啲題目咧，其實喺之後咧都會出好多，咁所以大家咧冇必要溫熟翻嗰個嘅答題格式啦。OK，咁咧佢亦都有其他嘅 form 嘅。OK，ironic 啊，OK，呢個就係佢 adjective 嘅 form 啦。OK，或者係一啲 contrasting 嘅 ideas 啊，呢啲都有機會咁樣問嘅。好啦，咁啊第一段都有啲咩矛盾嘅地方咧？咁咪一齊揾一揾啦。咁喺第一段第一句咧就應該揾到噶啦，就係呢句啦。OK，咁佢咧呢句嘅意思就係話咧呢個 Daniel Tudor 咧其實咧係喺呢個嘅韓國入邊咧算係最出名嘅外國人啦，但係咧佢亦都同時咧係好少人識佢嘅啫。咁所以呢個咧直接將佢抄翻25條咧咁就啱噶啦。OK，所以就抄翻 Daniel However he is one of the least known， 咁就 OK 啦。26條咧就問邊個咧？喺文章入邊咧都一定係有喺韓國入邊去住過咧。咁喺第二段入邊咧就係有呢個 Michael Breen 嘅呢個名啦。OK。咁咧，佢喺第二段就入邊講咗啦，佢係一個 British expat 嚟嘅，即係本身係英國人啦，但係而家就喺英國以外嘅地方居住啦，咁應該都係韓國去住嘅啫。OK，咁佢出版咗兩本書嘅，咁係 The Koreans 啦，跟住之後咧喺入邊本書入邊咧，咁就呢個 Breen 咧就推薦咗呢個嘅咩 book jacket 咁樣啦，即係代表佢都好熟悉呢個國家啦。跟住之後咧，Korea the Impossible Country 佢都推版咗另外一本書嘅，咁所以咧，即係代表 Michael Breen 咧都係好熟悉呢個國家啦。跟住之後咧就去到27條啦，咁呢條咧係4% 嘅，咁啊其實非常之難啦，咁所以咧大家咧係唔需要答得啱呢條題目，咁啊當學一學嘢咁就 OK 噶啦。咁啊 Canon 呢隻字咧，咁本身佢個意思咧就係一個嘅推薦嘅一個書單嘅意思啦。OK，咁所以咧呢一個字咧你唔知嘅話都真係幾難理解嘅。OK，咁但係文章都有少少提示嘅。OK。咁啊，你望到 in addition to Mr. Breen's books, the other indispensable，即係代表咧，除咗推薦呢個Mr. Breen 嘅書之外咧，亦都有推薦其他書嘅咁樣嘅。OK，咁所以咧就而上面亦都有咧講過就係the list of must-read books。OK，咁所以咧佢呢句 That's a small canon unfortunately 嘅意思即係話咧嗱上面咧就有一堆嘅一定要睇嘅書啦。但係其實咧都係好少嘅啫喎。OK，咁所以咧你亦都可以睇埋咩書咁樣嘅意思啦。OK，咁所以咧呢個 canon 其實係解咧必讀嘅一堆嘅必讀嘅推介書咁樣啦。OK，咁跟住之後啦，第13、14行咧，咁佢就係話 The list of must-read books about North Korea is far longer。咁即係話咩意思咧？OK，當你講緊就係話呢個關於呢個國家嘅必睇嘅書咧，其實係多啲嘅。咁即係代表咧呢個國家其實咧冇你想象之中咁差啦，或者係講緊其實咧可能比想象之中更加有趣啦。呢條咧都係7%係得啱嘅。咁所以咧你應該可以領略到就係大家都覺得佢呢個國家可能好悶，但係其實咧都比想象之中有趣嘅喎。咁所以就可以寫 North Korea is more interesting than what people think 啦。OK。咁咧，所以呢條咧文法比較重要啊！如果你係用自己嘅文句寫，但係唔知啱唔啱嘅話，亦都可以喺 comment 度問一問我嘅。係啦，咁跟住之後咧就會去到第29條啦。咁佢就話咧 Daniel Tudor 嘅文章咧同呢個 Michael Breen 有啲咩唔同啦？咁咧你應該就會喺第4段嘅第一句就已經揾到啦。Mr. Tudor pushes into new social and economic territory with his book。OK，咁所以咧你就直接將呢個咧抄落去咧，咁就 OK 嘅啦。OK，咁所以或者你可以寫就係唔使寫 Mr. Tudor，因為係敬稱啦，所以可以寫 Daniel pushes into the 乜乜乜啦。OK，咁跟住之後咧第30條啦。What is the contraindication？Contraindication 咧即係一個相反嘅位啦。OK，咁啦。 佢就係攞呢個 How Koreans see success and their love for trendy gadgets and fashion。OK，咁咧就係呢兩句啦。The unending desire for new and trendy gadgets and fashion, yet the tunnel-like vision of what constitutes a successful life。咁即係講緊咧，佢哋好中意一啲新奇嘅嘢或者時裝啦，但係對於咧一個咩叫一個成功嘅人生，其實咧係 tunnel-like view，即係咩意思啊？即係代表咧係一竅不通啦。OK，咁所以咧呢一條咧都係咧可以寫翻個 however 嘅字，咁但係咧其實你照抄就已經 OK 㗎啦。如果你想寫完整句子，你就可以寫 Koreans have unending desire for what what. However, they have tunnel-like view of what constitutes a successful life。咁所以咁樣寫都 OK 嘅，咁樣寫就最好啦，因為你有個 however 呢隻字啊嘛。跟住之後啦，最後尾一條啦 part A， 咁咧就Daniel 咧最尾嗰條問題就呢度啦。Why aren't people happier with what they've done？ 呢條咧22%啊，因為又要用自己嘅字嘅 ，OK。好啦，咁啊文章入邊呢度咧其實有兩 part 㗎啦，就係 what they've done 同埋 happier 啦，OK。佢即係問緊啊，OK，點解大家咧唔對自己所做嘅嘢咧開心咧 ？OK，首先第一件事你要領略到就係到底，如果作者覺得佢哋要開心，即係代表佢哋做嘅嘢其實係好啦，或者好 successful 啦，係咪？咁所以第一句你應該寫咗 Koreans have achieved a lot， 或者你可以寫 Koreans are successful。好啦，但係第二句啦，佢就係講緊點解佢哋唔開心啲啦，咁所以即係話佢哋唔開心，或者你可以講佢哋對自己咧唔滿意，或者對自己太嚴格，咁所以可以寫 however， 呢個又係寫轉折句啦。OK， 咁啊呢份 part A 都考你相當之多咧轉折句嘅運用嘅。However, they are not satisfied with it 啦，即係代表佢哋唔識滿足啦。OK， 咁所以咧下一段片咧咁就根據翻自己睇翻 B1 或者 B2 啦。OK， 咁啊下一條片再見。